you have a better look of the 747 from here, from this corner right here at LAX. Alright? Not that great, but it's okay. You see the nose over there? Alright, 747. Lufthansa 747. So in a few hours, the Lufthansa A380 will also be coming here. Alright? Okay. Alright, so Lufthansa 747. Here, let me walk to see if we can catch the Qantas A380. As you can see over there, Qantas A380. The Japan Airlines over there. Taxi to the right for takeoff. See? Alright, let's get a glimpse of that Japan Airline as well. Alright, this is Airbus A380. This is a 787 Dreamliner, Japan 787 Dreamliner over there. Taxiing to the runway for takeoff, of course. And the crew of this guy, the A380 over there. Oh, better view here. Perfect view. Alright, cool. Look at these massive engines. Look at that massive engine. Look at that. This is Qantas A380. I'm gonna come back here, but let me get a look of the Japan Airline first. Taxiing to the runway for takeoff. Alright, here. Japan Airline 787 Dreamliner. Alright. And you can see there's another same cargo plane 747 over there as well. Alright, this is cool. Alright. I'll be flying with Boeing 777. This is 787 Dreamliner. There you go. Alright, see you later, Japan Airlines. Southwest and what is that? Boeing 37. 737 Delta Airline. Right. Okay, let me walk back to the A380. Look at these massive engines right here. Right. Qantas Airways A380 from Sydney here at LAX, right? Let me zoom to see that massive engine. Man, massive engine right here. Alright, everybody. Make an error. Alright. Hope you all have a wonderful day now.